Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your web traffic with Cloudflare step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Cloudflare website. Create a Cloudflare account if you don't have one. Log in to your account. Click on the Add a Site button. Enter your website's domain name in the prompted field. Click on the Add Site button. Select a plan that fits your needs, either free or paid. Click on the Confirm Plan button. Cloudflare will now scan your domain's DNS records. Once the scan is complete, review the DNS records listed. Ensure all necessary records are included for your website. Add any additional records if needed. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Now, Cloudflare will provide you with new name servers. Make note of the name servers given. Log in to your domain registrar account. Locate the DNS settings for your domain. Replace your current name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. Save the changes in your domain registrar's DNS settings. Return to your Cloudflare dashboard and click Done, check name servers. Wait for Cloudflare to verify the name server changes. This process may take several minutes to hours. Once verified, Cloudflare will activate your site. Configure additional security settings under the Firewall section. Enable the Web Application Firewall for added protection. Set security level according to your needs. Check the SSL/TLS settings. Select the appropriate SSL mode for your website. Optimize performance settings in the Speed section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.